I'm back with some human hair drip from a company that we've worked with before, and that's Lady Hanne Hair. Now, we've only worked with them like 2 or 3 times, and we like them. So y'all know how I feel. The third time is when we decide if we want to throw them into the rotation. So let us see. All I did was take this out of its shipping packaging, because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. But if you look down in the description box, you'll see a direct link, all the details on this wig. I don't know what's in the box, because I like to do everything with y'all. Ooh, I see curls. Y'all, I see curls. Blonde curls. And some eyelashes. Now they lying saying MAC. But eyelashes. A little colorful brush. Ooh, that's kind of cute. And some stocking caps. I ain't seen black stocking caps in so long. Stocking caps. Y'all don't care about any of that. That brush, them lashes, them line lashes, them black stock caps. This is what y'all care about, y'all. I can already tell this is gonna be a bop. And it's bangs, y'all, which means that this is gonna be affordable and it's gonna be easy. Cap construction, nothing. Well, I'm just lying. You get adjustable straps. Straps. I said scraps. You get adjustable straps in the back. There are no combs in this unit, but that's easy to add if so needed, but I never do. I just adjust those straps. So this color is, I think that this is 427. Looking at the description box so you can make sure I'm not lying. Y'all, look at the warm blondes and browns on this unit. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know how it's gonna go over with this neutral lip, but we shall see. And it's bangs, so there's nothing for you to do. Y'all, this is gonna be super, super easy, super, super quick. I'm gonna plop it on my head. I'm gonna have to wet it and stuff. And then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts, but I really think I'm gonna like this. Be right back.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make it clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. You're still right next to you. You. I
was a little nervous because I was like, ooh, this a bank robbing wig. Or literally Alfred Woodard and Holiday Heart. I got the bank holiday. But y'all, this wig turned out to be so cute to me. I'm pretty sure I showed y'all footage of me pulling some half up, half down to show you that you still can be versatile with a wig, even if it is full cap. Y'all, I love this. And the affordability on it, the price point on it is another plus. But outside of that, the color, these curls, everything about this just makes this really cute. To be honest with you, I liked it when it was dry. Before I put anything on it, I thought it was super cute, but wet, it is pretty too. Y'all, I 1010% recommend this wig because not only is a look, now do I think this is something I would wear every day? No, but it is definitely a look. It's given 1987 flash dance, not 87, let's take it back a little further. 1983 flash dance realness. And y'all, I really do like this. I think that it's super cute. I actually love this wig in this color. I have reviewed a wig just like this before, but it was black and it was cute, but I will say I like it better with this color, and I'm pretty sure this is 427. So I definitely can recommend this one by Hanne, Lady Hanne. I always mispronounce that. Hair, but that's every wig that we've gotten from them. They are extremely affordable and really, really good quality. And this one fits that mold as well. If you look down in the description box, like I said, I put all the details to this unit as well as a direct link. But if you're looking for some affordable, y'all imagine this in the summer with a little sundress. Drinking your child's Capri Suns out on the porch. This is a look, y'all. I really do like this. In the comments, let me know if y'all like it. What y'all think? Am I giving cute or am I giving wet dog? Or am I giving cute wet dog? Because that's a look too. In the comments, let me know what y'all think. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your auntie Sylvia. This looks like Sylvia. Maybe it's your Uncle Sheldon, whichever one. Send them our way and we will get them right, y'all. I really like this one. Until next time, which will be very, very soon. Bye.